Hey, what's up, my friends? Two 8 of diamonds, two identical 8 of diamonds. Which one do you like better? Do you like this one or do you like this one? Well, let me confess, they're not identical because one's bigger than the other. Can you guess which one it is? Does that make a difference? Look at that. Perception is everything, but more on that after this.
She was Hannah Montana when Bush was president. Thanks, Obama.
Hey, what's up, friends? Thanks for joining me. We're going to cover 3 P's today, but let's start with the first two, perspective and perception. Now, perception is the way you regard or understand or interpret something. It's a mental impression or process, so it's based on the senses. So what you see, hear, taste, or feel, and what you interpret from that. Perspective is a particular attitude toward a way of regarding something. It's a point of view. So perspective is a result of perception. So perspective, your attitude, is a result of the way you interpret stuff via the senses. So let's go back to our cards. You couldn't really tell which one was bigger because of your perception. You weren't able to correctly perceive the cards. Now let's introduce the third P, position. Had you altered your position, it would have been easier to tell which card was bigger. So perspective comes from perception, but your perception is influenced by your position. Get it? Simple thought exercise. Your perspective and your perception is everything. I'll give you a short parable. 2 different dogs go into a room on 2 different occasions. One dog enters smiling and comes back out a few minutes later even happier, smiling from ear to ear. An angry dog goes into the same room and a few minutes later comes out growling and furious. Now, somebody standing by sees this happen and they're curious, so they go into the room to figure out what could happen to make one dog so happy and the other dog so furious. So they go in and see that the room is covered from wall to wall in mirrors. And the happy dog went in and saw a bunch of other dogs smiling back at him. And the angry dog went in and saw hundreds of other growling dogs at him and left even more angrier. So what I'm saying is your perception and your perspective play really big roles in the way you operate in this world. So how do you perceive your problems? How do you perceive time? I think it makes a big difference in how we act and how we love our neighbor and demonstrate love to each other. Hey, if you enjoyed anything about the video, then click subscribe or check out my website. And also don't be afraid to share this stuff on your social media like Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. Okay, love you.